Banger trade on Solana today, guys. This was a 5 risk to reward ratio trade called in advance. Obviously, you guys know how I roll here. I post all my trades in real time, never posting anything hindsight, okay? So I want to jump into this trade, my strategy behind it, and really how simple this is. Like, this is probably the easiest strategy that you can use if you're an unprofitable trader to become profitable, to get payouts if you're using a prop firm, whatever it may be, okay? It's very simple. It's very rule-based. And it's hard to lose when you're looking for the confluences that I look for. Okay, so this was using the Monday range strategy. Now, if you guys don't know what the strategy entails, essentially all you're doing is marking out the Monday range high and the Monday range low, meaning you're not taking any trades on Monday. You're waiting for the range to form. And then on Tuesday through Thursday, you're looking for either manipulation of the Monday range low, meaning a sweep and reclaim, or manipulation of the Monday range high. And if you do your own back testing, you'll see that week over week, price tends to respect the Monday range very well. If you guys don't know about me or my community, I code algorithms, okay, under the brand EzTrades. And recently I've coded my own Monday range trading indicator, which is pretty cool because it removes the guesswork. I can set alerts and it notifies me when we have sweeps of the Monday range low or the Monday range high. So let's talk about why I entered this trade and the confluences that I saw. So we're gonna actually go to a clean chart here and we're gonna hop into replay mode. Pretend like we don't know what is going to happen, okay? So at this point, the Monday candle has closed, okay? The Monday candle has closed. You can see we have the Monday range high here and the Monday range low here. Now, what is my bias at this point in time? Well, if I zoom out to like a 4-hour time frame, I'm not seeing anything super clear. I mean, we do have this equal low down here on a 4-hour, so maybe we can expect some downside, but it looks like we're kind of chopping around in this range, right? We swept some high time frame liquidity. Maybe we're gonna go up and maybe we're gonna go down. I didn't really have a bias, to be honest with you guys, jumping into this week. I'm kind of willing to take longs or shorts if the confluences are there. If I'm looking for shorts, I'll probably look for a sweep of this external high right here, maybe a sweep of the Monday range high to go short, or I'll look for a sweep of the Monday range low to go long. Now, something else that I notice at this point in time is that we have an equal low here on Solana. Okay, we have an equal low. So let me mark this out for a second. And this is actually important, okay? So what is an equal low? Well, an equal low is when you have one low and then you have a second low that is slightly higher than that first low that doesn't come down and take out the liquidity. So we would call this a strong draw on liquidity, meaning that there are pending orders here that are yet to be filled. We also have retail stop losses below these lows. So immediately I'm looking for longs if we can take out these lows and get a reclaim, okay? But I really don't want to take any sort of long position while we're in this range, okay? And this is why the Monday range is so important. I like to wait for the Monday range to form. We had some weekend price action over here. I don't want to trade within this, okay? This is Chop City. This is where retail gets faked out. I want to look for the most extreme ends of the Monday range to take a trade. So at this point, guys, I'm going to bed. I don't trade over Sunday night. Let price play out a little bit. Okay, here we go. This is like 1 a.m. in the morning. So obviously I'm not getting in this trade. And what do you notice about price right now as we've swept the Monday range low? Okay, well, we formed this gap here, right? This bearish fair value gap. And I think if we go to like a 30-minute or a 1-hour time frame, you can see we have another bearish fair value gap here. So this is going to be resistance. So even though price has swept the Monday range low, I need to see some more pieces of confirmation, right? We did get that buy signal on the easy oscillator. So, things are looking like it can go up, but we don't know for certain. For all we know, price can just continue to reject and we can go lower. So we need to see a reclaim or a lower time frame break of structure for me to really get bullish and say, you know what, I'm going to try a long. Again, price is still consolidating. Now we're approaching New York session and then boom, the third 6 hits or the third 6-hour candle. That is New York session. That is normally when volume starts to come into the market. That is when I like to take trades. We refer to this in the group as the third 6 or the third 6-hour candle. A little bit more advanced stuff, but all you have to know is that I'm waiting for New York session to open up so I can look for trades when volume starts coming into the market. And at this point, guys, I'm bullish, okay? At this point, I'm bullish because we've inversed that bearish fair value gap. You can either enter the trade here or you can wait for a retest, which is what I did in this case, okay? So we saw that initial move up. We saw that market structure break, okay? So price is making higher highs and higher lows. And at this point, I was just waiting for a retrace to the golden pocket fib or the 1-2 setup. So this was kind of a combination of the Monday range strategy where we're looking for a sweep of the Monday range lows into an inversion, into a retest of the local golden pocket. So kind of combining a lot of strategies in one here, but that's good, right? This is a very high confidence, very high probability trade. I entered the trade right here, alerted it off inside of the pro community, and set the full TP at the Monday range highs. I told you guys no partials, no moving stop loss to break even. The reason I was pretty confident we were going to reach the Monday range highs is because we had a ton of liquidity here, low resistance liquidity, equal highs up here. So, if price were to pump, we'd probably take out these highs and take out these highs, which we ended up doing. So that was a trade, full take profit. Once price reaches the Monday range highs, I'm done. I've made my money for the day. I've made my money for the week. And this is the great thing about trading the Monday range as well. You're only trading 3 days out of the week. We're not trading weekend. We're probably not trading Friday unless there's a really good setup. And we're not trading Monday unless there's a really good setup, right? Because that's the day that the range is forming. And oftentimes Monday is a pretty difficult day to trade just because it's usually a fake out trade in the beginning of the week. So we let the Monday range form. We let the Monday candle close, and then we come into the markets Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, looking for these sweeps and reclaims of the Monday lows and highs when we have our confirmations and other confluences met, okay? Notice the confluences that we have here, right? Taking out equal lows, sweeping the Monday range, right? We're not gapping down below here. We're holding this level. We inverse that bearish for value gap. That's your first entry if you want. If you miss that entry, you can wait for a retest of the GP. That is your second entry. And then you're targeting the Monday range high. That is how we do it, guys. Make sure to use momentum as a piece of confluence, but price loves bouncing off of the Monday range, the Monday mid, the Monday highs, the Monday lows. Now, we have automated the strategy like 90%. So you don't even have to be on TradingView. You can set an alert for whatever asset you're trading. The strategy is meant for crypto, by the way. Set it to Monday range, and then you can set an alert for the Monday range formed, the Monday range high tagged, low tagged, or the buy or sell signal when price is sweeping either side of the range. Our users are absolutely crushing with the Monday range. Like, check this out. It's got 70%. We have 300% here. Shout out Chris here, 4 for 4 with the Monday range setup. He took that Solana long as well. Gel took the Monday range on SPX. Another so long. So proof is there, guys. If you guys want to join the pro community and get access to our custom trading indicators, make sure to click the first link in the description below. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.